Hi there, good morning. I'm Markus Börlin, the Swiss Consul General to New York, and as you can see, working at home office. I just went through some reports about the situation back home in Switzerland. They have been opening up and it seems to work well. The relevant indicators all are stable and positive. I think the basis for that was our solid healthcare sector, which was never out of control, and the solid and stable financial situation, which allowed for quick and efficient stimulus programs. Here, the situation, of course, is quite different, and we're still sheltered at home. Home office for our Consulate General has been working very well, and I can say that we were well prepared for it, as we introduced it already a long time ago before the crisis as a tool of modern management. So that means that all of our staff had the appropriate electronic equipment at home. We established the necessary protocols and procedures. So that meant that when the governor decided for the pause, we could move very quickly into a full home office modus. While still maintaining a minimal physical presence at the office for essential and urgent consular affairs, we do everything else from home. Consular affairs, cultural activities, business and trade promotion, science diplomacy and public diplomacy. That is working very well and we are very busy, but I have to add a but. Home office and all our efficient digital work cannot replace the direct social contacts and networks. I think this is not only because as human beings we need that direct social and human contact, but it is much more difficult to keep the unit and the staff together, and it's much less efficient than the traditional work. Because when I'm in the office, I just can go around from office to office and organize things, manage things, consult that colleague, go to the others, take the advice of that colleague, take a decision. Whereas only at the computer and on Skype, this takes much more time and is much less efficient. So I think home office, digital work, virtual project will remain stronger with us after the crisis. And we will have learned a lot about it and how we can improve the use of it and the respective tools. But we still, especially in diplomacy, we still need social contacts and direct networking in business, culture, science, and obviously, of course, in public diplomacy. I think the challenge for us in the future will be to balance the digital work, the virtual work with the traditional work, the traditional work methods, and to make the whole work more efficient, to create positive complementarity that will not only benefit efficiency and cost effectiveness, but also the environment. And I would say in that sense, I look forward to the future, because that might be at least one positive aspect of this crisis. Thank you very much for listening and have a good day.